I have three-way dimmer switches, which are all 12 volt. The switches here in the door are three-way type. There's 3 pins on the back. And these over here are two-way. I'd have to look at the part number from Amazon, but you push the light turns on here, and the lights are on under here. So we'll turn all 3 on. Ceiling lights are all on. And then if you want to turn them off, you can turn them off right here. And everything's off, and the blue light's over here. So if you want to turn the light back on, ceiling lights are on. The ceiling are LED by Lumitech, and if you toggle them quickly, they'll stay at the light, so they're very dull. If you want them brighter, turn them off, turn them on, and they'll go full brightness. So the 12 volt switches here and the Lumitech LED lights, you have total control of brightness and three-way switches.